I'm so excited today because I'm going to show you how to do tempeh from scratch. For those of you who are not familiar with tempeh, tempeh is originated from Indonesia and is actually one of the few soybean products that does not originate from China, which is pretty cool, and is basically a fermentation process of the soybeans, which will end up into a soy protein dense high cake created by these beautiful bacteria that are healthy for us. And with that product you can do so many things. You can saute it within your vegetables, you can make curries out of that, and it has a really nice nutty flavor. Yes, so enough talk. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do that now so you can do it on your own. To make the white bean tempeh, what you need is 250 grams of white beans. You need to soak them overnight with enough water, or about 16 hours, and then you need to drain and rinse them with fresh water. Next step that we need to do, we want to dehull the beans. The easy way to do that is just by massaging it in, just like that. And then you can see that the skin is naturally coming off. And you just repeat that until you have all the skin removed. So here I got already a lot of skin removed. These are the dehulled beans. The next step is cooking it in 400 grams of water for about 20 minutes. These are our cooked beans. You have to drain the water and then let it cool for a few minutes. They should still have a little crunch to it because you have to think that once we have the tempeh, we are going to cook them again. The beans are completely cooled down now. Now I'm adding my tempeh starter. I'm using 1 teaspoon for 250 grams of beans. Mix it together so that everything is well combined. To wrap my tempeh, I'm using banana leaves and Ziplocker bags. If you're using Ziplocker bags, make sure that you make enough holes in it to allow bacteria to breathe. I have been patiently waiting for 2 days now for my tempeh to ferment. It takes about 35 to 48 hours to completely ferment your beans. Also make sure during that time that it is surrounded at a temperature between 25 to 30 degrees. In Fahrenheit, I think it's about 85 to 90 Fahrenheit. So originally, tempeh is made with soybeans, but you can make it also with white beans, black beans, and even chickpea to create a soy-free tempeh. The tempeh starter contains a mold called Rhizopus. During the fermentation process, the mold is growing very quickly, helping us to bind the beans together into this beautiful dense white cake. This is our perfect white bean tempeh. I have just pan fried it a little bit and I'm gonna have it with a dip. It's really versatile, very savory. You can even dehydrate it and pulverize it and have it as a protein powder in your shakes or energy bliss balls, for example. Many options for sure. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys and you are inspired to create your own version of tempeh.